IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What kind of museums do you like the most? Band 5. Answer.
I like history museums the most because they have many old things. I think it is interesting to learn about the past, but sometimes I get confused because there is too much information.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, short, simple ideas, some hesitation or lack of detail. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary with limited range. Grammar, simple sentence structures, occasional errors. Pronunciation, mostly understandable, though not always clear. Typical of a Band 5, communicates meaning but lacks range and control. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually enjoy art museums the most because they allow me to see different styles and techniques from various periods. I find it inspiring, especially when I can learn about the story behind each piece. It helps me relax and appreciate creativity.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-developed answer with smooth flow. Lexical resource, strong vocabulary with some less common phrases. Grammar, good control with mostly accurate complex structures. Pronunciation, clear and natural with only minor lapses. Typical of a Band 7.5, detailed, flexible, confident responses. Band 9 Answer.
I'm especially drawn to interactive science museums because they transform learning into an engaging experience. I love exhibits that let you experiment with concepts like energy or sound, as they make complex ideas feel accessible and fun. For me, these museums strike the perfect balance between education and entertainment.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, sophisticated, fully extended answer. Lexical resource, precise, natural, and wide-ranging vocabulary. Grammar, near-perfect control of complex structures. Pronunciation, fully natural, easy to understand, and flexible. Typical of a Band 9. Native-like delivery with nuance and depth. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.